Good day, everybody. Greg here at Buckley's Auto Care, and it's a Wednesday, and again, everybody getting ready for the holiday weekend. We're here doing all of our repairs, maintenance, services for everybody. The compressor's kicking in, so I got to talk a little bit louder. Anyway, full lot, looking good. Great day out. Right now, we are doing some more sanitation services for the Boys and Girls Club. All right, and helping them out with their vans. I want to thank everybody from the PermaSafe team and also Oasis Clean for helping out with all the supplies. And we're going to take care of the interior like we're doing right now. Get the vehicles serviced so they can drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy, as we always like to say. Our tech, David Smith, is going to be doing the applications, as you can see right now. All right. So one of the things that I want to explain now, for all of the clients that come and see us, all of our services include this service, the step one service, sanitizing for every repair. And well, the reason why is because we want to have the vehicles definitely as safe as possible, as germ-free as we can. That's why we do the service. Now, also, what we're going to supply you is a card that's going to let you know of all of the points that we cover in terms of wiping down and touching. So I'm going to bring it up to you real quick. As you can see, it says drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy, and all of these things, all of these areas are important. So when you're not here for service, or even if you're not, you can check out our page and we'll have those points for you. We're going to put this in the glove box, okay? And this is where it's going to go. So that way you can pull it out and on your own know some of the high touch points. That's what's important, to eliminate germs, keep things clean as we can. So again, just little tips like this can keep everything fresh in your head, keep memory alive as best as possible. As we got spraying going on outside, got BG products on the inside. It's just a heck of a day here so far. So anyway, want to say thanks a lot. Appreciate everything. Again, enjoy the weekends coming up. Be safe at all times. Use common sense. And as I always say, drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. Thanks, everybody. We'll talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day.